box for my channel. This is the GlamLite VIP Mystery Box. You want to see what's in it? Stay tuned. My name is Robin and weather out here is beautiful, so I'm filming outside. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so you get notified of my future videos. Thumbs up if you like it. And as always, if you're returning, thank you so much. I appreciate your loyalty to my channel. And I have to say, I woke up this morning, today's a Monday, and I had probably over 100 notifications of new videos being posted today. And I try and watch all videos. I don't always get around to it, but I love watching other YouTube videos. So everybody must have had a great time over Thanksgiving and were able to upload some of their videos while they were off, because there's a lot of great videos out there. So I don't know how I found this GlamLite, if it was you know, in my email, just a random email, if it was on my Instagram. You know, they manage to find you, these beauty companies, and they know that you want to buy. So again, this was $39.99. I believe they are sold out, because I think I ordered this maybe a month ago. I don't even remember. So you open it up, and it's not my favorite. It's got the poppies. Oh, they're hard to pop. Oh my God, this thing is just filled with goodies. Okay, I don't know if there's a card in there, but wait till you see everything that is in this box. The first thing is the GlamLite Pizza Slice palette, and this is the colors that are in there. It looks like a pizza slice. I have to open it. And I am impressed. Again, they wrap up everything, so nothing's gonna get in these packages. Oh, I'm so excited to see. So, what's your favorite topping? There's still another box. And this is the actual packaging. So are you ready to dine for a piece of pizza? Oh my goodness, look at these colors. I'll take the protector off. What a cute palette. This definitely has greens in there. So I'm excited to try this, and it's got a mirror. So that was the first thing, but the way they package this, it is so cute. So that was the first thing in there. Taco lashes. I am not gonna open the lashes because it's so cute. I have to gift these because this is just so cute. But look at the packaging, and I'm sure the lashes are very nice. They're gorgeous, full and voluminous eyelashes. Every glam lash is designed and handcrafted using the high cost and softness quality of synthetic silk. Over 30 lashes are the perfect way to add volume, length, and versatility to your eyelashes. It's just so cute. Okay. The next thing, quick crease, create the perfect cut crease within seconds. Oh my goodness. I watch so many beautiful women that do the cut crease, and I'm like, there's no way I could ever do that. And here's a thing that tells you how to do this, and it gives you this little tool. So I'm definitely gonna try this. I didn't know there was such a thing to do that. So it's got this little plastic thing. At first I thought it was a razor. So obviously you must do something with this thing. I'll let you know when I use it. And if I make a debacle, you'll know, because I'll have stuff all over my face. So that is nice. Paint Balashes, GlamLite. Is this more eyelashes? Yep. I'm gonna open these. This looks like such fun packaging. Wow. Let me know what you think. Oh, is it 2 boxes? I can't tell. Let me know what you think of this box. But I have to say the decorating of the packaging, the way they wrap it is there. Oh my goodness. These are the lashes. And it folds that way. Okay. So we have 2 eyelashes. The next thing is Caribbean Glow Body Luminizer. It blends easily on your skin, instantly hydrating and illuminating your body. Our oil is infused with extra fine light reflecting pearls that create a 3D shimmer effect. Ooh. So it looks like I've gone to the Caribbean. Of course, with the weather that everybody's getting, I'm sure you'd rather be in the Caribbean. And let me know below if you got any snow and how much. And please feel free to send me pictures. I don't know if you could do it on Instagram. If not, my email's in there. I love to get pictures of the snow. And this is what it looks like. And probably something that might be a little bit too much for me. Oh my goodness. It goes on. Let's see. Oh dear. Once you rub it in, I don't know if you can see it because of the sun, but it definitely has a glow to it. So if I were to put it on my legs or whatever, you probably wouldn't be able to see it as much. So that's a fun little item. The next thing is Churros GlamLite. And I know those are those sweet little things. Look, is this packaging like not the coolest? Okay. Look at that color. The case is beautiful and it has a mirror on the back. So I'm not going to open this one yet because I just unboxed a color similar to this. So I will hold off, but you know what? I lied. I'm a fibber. I'm going to try it. I don't know if you can see it, but it went on super nice. Okay, so far, all these products are amazing. And then, Calligrapher Waterproof Eyeliner. Look at the, can you see the packaging? It goes through here. Now, that is awesome. I'm not going to open it only because it's packaged so nice. I will probably use it, but I'm not going to use it right now. But it is an awesome looking eyeliner. Oh, I found cards. They were at the bottom. So, is this a magnet? I Am Pizza. It looks like it's a magnet, so that's cute. And then, hi Glam Babes, the world's most epic pizza has arrived. We can't wait to see all of the delicious looks. You can save 15% off your next order with Glam 15. And, oh, it's got the thing, awesome, how to do that cut crease. So it's got the card and it shows you. So that is awesome. I can't wait to go play with that, especially with these great palettes. So there's one more thing in the box. And again, this was well worth the money. I think it was an email that I got and it's like, it opens at 7 o'clock in the morning and you got to get right on there. And that's what I did. So here's the other pizza slice, and I'm not going to open it, but the colors are beautiful. So in this box we got two pizza slices. We got 2 sets of eyelashes, and those are adorable. And I didn't open this one because I just love the little taco thing. And this beautiful lipstick. And the glow, body glow thing. And the cut crease. I cannot wait to try this. And here's the other pizza slice. But again, the packaging is just awesome. So please comment below. Let me know what you thought of this fun little box. And keep watching my videos. I went crazy on Black Friday and on Cyber Monday and ordered a bunch of new items. So look forward to that on my channel. And as always, you guys have an awesome day.